her attitude is like no, but she looks hot.
Today we're doing the sibling tag. Who is more sensitive amongst the three of us?
I think Ritika.
I think both of us.
Yeah, even I think all three of us. Okay, the next question. What is the weirdest habit your brother or sister has?
Okay, I'll tell something about her. She buys like hundreds of shampoos, conditioners, and cream and all, and she just gets bored of those stuff and just gives it to us.
Yes,
Because she's just bored of it and she won't use it because she'll get acne, she'll get pimples because of it. So that's the.
He never
Listens. It's like too difficult for him to listen.
Yes.
You know, I am a. Like,
No, you're not a good listener. You just want.
I'm
your
not a
opinion.
good listener, but I'm a mediocre listener.
No, not at all. You just want your opinion to be expressed the way it has to be, and then you just leave. You don't listen to what others want to
Others,
say.
honestly.
And one weird habit about her is that she's too lazy to do ghar ke kaam.
Huh.
Yes.
What is the one thing that has changed the most about your sibling as he or she has become older? She is no more a crybaby.
And she is much more considerate.
What has changed with him? Everything has gone. See, when he was a kid, he used to hit a lot. He used to be the most annoying human being ever. And right now also he's the same. So nothing has changed with him.
Huh.
But I feel he's more
He's tall.
caring. He's tall. No, what has changed over the years? As in behavioral wise, I feel he's more caring right now. Like
He's kind of possessive. Kind of.
yeah, he's possessive. He is. He's very possessive. Which one of you gets dressed the fastest?
Of course, me. It would take like an hour to get a dress up.
No, the thing
For
is,
this
we'll
video,
start.
no, for this video only, I took a shower, and then I came back and I dressed up, and you still were doing your makeup. Both of you.
No, because we started late.
No, we
Yeah.
both went. We both came here to take our clothes at the same time. So it's like we started at the same time, but
After that, I was
ended
doing
first.
something. I was doing a chore or something. Something I was doing. I was not like all I had to do was apply
But
eyeliner.
when I came back, both of them were not ready.
We were.
I
she
was
was
tying
braiding
her
her hair. She was
I was
braiding her
braiding
hair.
her hair. That is the reason it took me time to get dressed.
And
But
And they didn't
usually-
even go with that look. See,
because we were
Because
just
see,
trying.
time pass.
It's okay to try.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah,
it.
but then he usually has just one piece of clothing that he wants to wear, and everything's like all prepared for him. So it's him.
I know what to wear. Like it's like the.
What is something you think your sibling should take more seriously in life? I feel he should take his entire life more seriously. Next question is, describe each other in one word.
Attractive.
Expensive.
Yeah. Okay. For you, he is street smart.
And extrovert.
Okay, that's her answer. What's for her?
So-
This would be, she's very very practical.
Creative. Creative. She has like art sense thing.
If you get a call in the middle of the night that your sibling is in jail, what would be the first crime you think of? You would think of, like, what do you think he or she must have committed and is in jail for?
Acha.
I feel he must have been in a road rash thingy, like where he's driving crazily just to beat someone. Beat someone in the sense there was a race or something, and then just in order to win, he breaks all the rules that way.
And
For her, I feel
Rita
she'll
would be stealing some free things from a mall or something. Not
stealing
free.
makeup.
Stealing makeup, clothes. Like she won't even let it go in that billing section.
I
Ritika,
may
you're just lying.
Go and hit somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'd
She
just-
must be caught in a fight with a few guys or something.
Boys should
Boys.
be like emphasis on that boy's gender.
Yeah, she may be hitting a few guys or doing something like that, extremely violent. Are you closer now or when you were younger?
Now.
Closer now.
Okay. Who is most likely to date someone based on their appearance?
Obviously, Rishi.
Hey, all of us would be at first. We'd go with appearance, so we won't even know how that person looks. Like, would be from inside.
But even if once I get to know, like date a person, like not the
Get-
first date.
Tinder पे in Tinder पे कहाँ पे first sign is like
So like you go on
personality.
first dates or like you go on dates and then you decide to
Decide,
date.
yes.
So like deciding is what is
So
being questioned.
of course then I'd just go
But,
not
no.
just by appearances.
Rishi, you make it.
So you just end up liking.
I
the-
won't be like this. Oh, her attitude is like no, but she looks hot.
Yeah, you
I
you
won't
don't
be
talk
like
like that. He does.
Yes.
What is the one personality trait that your sibling has that you wish you had?
Patience.
She
From
tries.
patience,
She
patience.
tries.
Huh, okay. What? I try.
She likes to try new things. So.
Her patience. I want that because I'm.
And patience.
So,
Even if we
I-
irritate her a lot, it takes a lot of time for her to get irritated.
I just find everything funny.
So.
ठीक है.
She tries to counterattack most of the time, but she fails most of the time. Okay, she ain't that savage.
Because I just find everything extremely funny when they're trying to annoying, but then once they get inside my nerve,
No.
it's irritating. Okay, for him, I feel I love his confidence on stage and off stage, and like when he's talking to strangers and stuff, which I also have to a certain extent, but not when it comes to public speaking. So I feel
His
that
confidence.
his confidence is what I want, and from her I want the way she thinks about things so logically and so practically.
I would want her creativity, like art things.
hers.
Hers.
I
Just
want her
creative.
logical reasoning thingy, wherein she finds like a very mature reason for
She
it.
ain't. But
If someone put a gun to your sibling's head and asked them to sing a song without missing a word, what song would your sibling sing?
Rishi.
Wop.
Wap.
Wop.
Wap. Wap.
WAP or upper driver's license, of course.
Yeah, WAP up driver's license. For her, it'll be any Bollywood song from Hum Saath Saath Hai
कुछ भी.
or
कुछ भी ऐसे हम साथ साथ हैं in the
Hey,
rap
what?
song. Maybe rap song.
song. No. Rap song.
Short.
हाँ
Kartik
yeah,
Aaryan.
Emmy में Buntai के songs or any those kind of rap songs like what's that song? वो
Short देखेगा.
नहीं लोका
Short दे.
हाँ short देखेगा and वो चल बॉम्बे what is that?
She would
Ah,
rather
Divine.
she would rather sing some depressing songs. Okay.
Me?
Yes, you. Because your playlist is full of depressing songs.
No.
And you're in depression? Let me know.
Okay, I don't
Call
know.
now.
I am not that good with lyrics. I forget lyrics, so I don't think I'll survive that. In which area are you and your siblings complete opposites?
Okay, song selection.
Yes. No, but I also like a few songs that
Few
you
songs,
recommend.
but we deny on most of the songs.
We don't. Okay. What about you? Where are we different? Our opinion on boys? Maybe?
Yeah.
Taste, more like taste.
Taste भी नहीं. Like
Taste.
our opinion only on relationships. Relationships actually. Like
Yeah, right.
our opinion. With him.
She's more like the pair padu types, and she's
No!
more like the pair padwane wale types.
No,
Okay.
actually, पैर पड़ू types नहीं हाँ, इतना भी नहीं. Okay, for me, I feel with him.
Rishi, what did you say? पैर पड़वाना.
मतलब you make
Them
sure the
type.
guy.
That's just your lyrics.
No, not that way. But yeah, for us it's relationships. For us it's songs.
Yes.
I'm guessing. What about you both? Hard work में? नहीं.
No, it's more like our relation itself. It's like
We're
something
complete opposite.
Yes.
complete opposite.
Like everything they do is completely opposite or what?
Yeah,
Mostly.
mostly.
You want to make a sandwich for your sibling. What do you put on it?
I make the
Cheese.
best sandwiches.
Cheese, yeah, for me,
Cheese
cheese.
for everyone.
For her, it'll be a lot of chilies or spicy
Yes,
sauce.
spicy sauces.
Spicy sauces
She
and a
wants
lot
that
of
Jolo chip powder in her
tomatoes.
cheese,
Cheese,
Corn.
just cheese, corn, and that's it.
lettuce, meat.
A lot of chicken. For me, it'll be cheese. Just cheese. I'm good. And the last question is,
Thank
what does each of our perfect days look like? As in, if you had to think about a perfect day for me.
You should be satisfied.
Hawaii. You'd be in Hawaii, sitting on, like, laying on the beach,
Cycling or
cycling,
अच्छा
like
वैसे
walking,
perfect. जिन
Yes.
लोगों के normal life में
eating
perfect.
some
no,
Italian
the best
food,
perfect day in my life.
हाँ.
eating some
Going to
Italian
Hawaii and
food,
living there for
getting
2 to 3
proposed
years.
in Hawaii, getting proposed in
No,
Hawaii.
I have no such dreams of proposals and stuff. I just want to stay in Hawaii for some
For
time.
2 to 3 years.
Yeah, otherwise then I have to come back. For you, I feel the best day would be he should
That
be in
would be the
downtown
best day of my
LA,
life.
or like he should be in LA and
get into an acting, like a
even
movie.
I want that. That would be
Okay.
a perfect day for me,
So,
like getting a movie, signing a
Get
movie.
signing a movie, meeting
be
Cardi B. That movie should have Cardi B in it. Okay.
Meeting all cricketers.
She's there in Fast
For
and
her-
Furious 9.
It'll be meeting cricketers and spending
Sam
a day
Curran.
with them.
Sam Curran.
Okay, yeah. Going
Her
to Sam
cricketer
Curran's house
crush.
and staying there,
Crush.
or like
Oh, he
Taking
But
it
already
on
Chad,
a
she
date.
already has a girlfriend.
it's okay, na. Like it's your perfect day. We can eliminate her.
Eliminate. Not that eliminate.
In a sense, like the character as well. Okay, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel as well as their channels.
I'll
The
link down in the description.
description and also the Instagram. Go follow us.
Okay. We are in desperate needs of followers and
No,
subscribers.
Not desperate need, but yeah, your support would definitely motivate us.
Motivate us, yes. Right.
Bye, guys.
Bad. It's bad. Oh, that wedding girl.
What?
That girl,
never said
that girl is so ugly.
This is all
She was
lie.
like that.
Oh no,
No,
if I
never.
don't like something, I do say this is, I don't find it like my type, but I wouldn't say this person is ugly, or not.
Yes, Rishi, never.
This
Don't
is
say
lie.
anything.
He is an ugly person, but that doesn't mean I call everybody ugly.
Okay.
But he is lying. You can find some other word for me.
At the cameras.
No,
Yes.
that never happens. Come on,
No.
stop lying, Rishi.
Yeah, no.
Half of what you're saying is
Lie.
is a big fat lie.